Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Daniel Light once again, and today I'll be putting you through on how you can get a free prop firm account, a 100k account to trade the forex market. And from previous no deposit bonus, there have been withdrawal proof which I'll be showing on the screen right now. As you can see, that's the withdrawal proof. In today's video, I will advise you to follow every guide step by step in the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you can always be the first to get notified anytime I drop any update on forex. Moving first, the name of the broker is UltraCap, and you put your first name, your last name and your Gmail, and then you click on join kickstart as seen on the screen. So you'll be directed here where you put in your first name, again your last name, the country where you're from, your house address, your town, city, your state, and also your phone number and your Gmail. Once you are done putting them, you scroll down, you click on MT5, click on the policies, every policies, and place order. Then you'll be directed to their site again, where you'll be shown that they've received your order, and a message will be sent to your Gmail where you have to go fetch it. So you go straight to your Gmail and check the message you receive. This is what you should expect, a Gmail like this. So you scroll down where you will see your login details to MT5 and also the login details to the site. If you click on this login train on the screen, it will take you to their site where you have to log in with your details. Like you can see on the screen, the details to log in is here, both the password and your Gmail you used to register. But we'll be coming back to that. But down here is your MT5 login details. That's what we'll be going through now. I will show you how you log in your MT5 right now. So you go to your MT5 and then you put in the name of the server, which is 8cap global. You type into the search box and it brings it 8cap global, and then you put in your login number, which is already in the Gmail, and the password. As you can see right now, we've logged into our MT5 and the account is ready to trade. And also the next thing we need to do right now is to put our login details into their site, which I'll be showing you right now, in order for you to check your progress. So this is the site. You put in your Gmail, you put in your password, and you click on sign in. Then you'll be directed to the next page where you would see 4 lines up here. You click on it and then you click on dashboard. Then you'll be directed again to put in your Gmail and your password. Then you put them and also click on sign in, and there you see your progress on the trades you've taken. And the important things I want you to know is that you have just 20 days to trade this account, and you have a target of $3,000 as profit and a drawdown of $2,000 for daily drawdown, and a total drawdown of $4,000 before you get kicked off. Just let me know in the comment section if you are having any issue with getting the bonus. Remember to check the comment section where I'll be dropping the link to my WhatsApp community where you can get free signals and also a free forex course. So have a nice day guys, and don't forget to share your testimonies in the community. With Daniel Light.